Good morning, Mr. Atta. I'm Sella from Group 5. Today I'm going to present about our group research paper about exploring impulsive buying behavior, Shopee live streaming in Indonesia. This day, e-commerce is rapidly growing with innovation like live commerce enhancing online shopping. In Indonesia, platforms like Shopee live streaming boost sales during events by offering real-time iteration and exclusive discount that fosters impulsive buying. With 55% of Indonesians often making unplanned purchase, so the study explores the factor influencing impulsive buying during live streaming to improve consumer satisfactions and mitigate negative outcomes. Also, the live commerce innovation enhancing consumer experience. This environment also bring negative impact such as impulsive buying, which lead to consumer dissatisfactions and unnecessary purchases. Shopee live streaming has been observed to create an environment conducive to impulsive purchase due to limited offers and attractive presentations. These factors often influence consumers to make unplanned and spontaneous buying decisions. The factors that affect consumers to make impulsive buying is divided into internal and external factors, where internal factors include individual tendencies toward impulsiveness, emotional response, and personal satisfaction derived from purchase, while external factors consist of presentation of product, promotional strategies, social influence from hosts, and the features of the live streaming platform itself. This research highlights the evolving consumer behavior in the digital age, particularly in the context of live streaming e-commerce. It aims to provide insight into how live streaming influence shopping habits and decision-making process among Indonesian consumers. The goals of this research are: the first one, identify internal and external factors. The second one is enhance consumer satisfaction by mitigating negative outcomes of impulsive buying. The third one is understand evolving consumer behavior in the digital era. For the research method, we implement quantitative approach that focus on Shopee live streaming users in Indonesia. SAM-PLS method is used to examine data. Our research has three types of variable. The first one is independent variable such as responsiveness, informativeness, professionalism, personalizations, arousal emotions, and visibility. The second one is dependent variable such as impulsive purchase intention. And the third one is intervening variable, which is cognitive immersions. We use SRR research model. This model introduces situational factors influencing customer emotional, cognitive evaluation, and examine impulsive purchase intention as an outcome, and also focusing on the quality of iterations and IT. The hypothesis of our research are: the first one, increased responsiveness during Shopee live streaming will positively impact customer cognitive immersions. The second one is professionalism displayed by hosts during Shopee live stream will positively impact customer cognitive immersion. And then informativeness given through Shopee live stream content will positively impact customer cognitive immersion too. And personalizations of iteration during Shopee live streams will positively impact customer cognitive immersions. The fifth one is higher visibility of products and promotion during Shopee live streams will positively impact customer cognitive immersions. The sixth one is arousal emotion in Shopee live streams make customer feel more connected, and then enhancing their focus and involvement with the content, which boosts cognitive immersion. The last one is cognitive immersion can positively impact impulsive purchase intention. The statistical method is used to identify trends, patterns, and relationships, while quantitative data analysis to test predetermined hypotheses. The research population and sample focus on individuals who make purchase during Shopee live streaming sessions and employs confidence sampling. In order to collect data, we utilize Google Forms to distribute questionnaire consisting of 25 questions. Likert scale is used with response ranging from strongly agree to strongly disagree. We conduct several tests using Smart PLS 4.0. Second one, the confidence validity test for each variable is greater than 0.7, which indicates good. And then the AV value of each variable is greater than 0.5, which indicates the model is adequate. The fourth one is the composite reliability of every research variable are greater than 0.8, which considered reliable and eligible. The fifth one is the Cron-Batch alpha value of every variable also fulfill the requirements of Cron-Batch alpha. The sixth one is the path coefficients test of every variable show how much the independent variable influenced the dependent variable. The goodness of fit test show cognitive immersion's strong influence on impulsive buying behavior and the relevance of cognitive variable in influencing impulsive buying behavior. The eighth one is hypothesis test is conducted to assess how one variable influences another and validate models. This research led us to this following conclusion, where the first one is participants are mostly make purchase on Shopee live streaming than on other platforms. The second one is iteration and IT affordance are determined factors of impulsive purchase intention. And then host has a significant impact of audience impulsive purchase intention. And the last one is attractive and engaged live streaming reinforce audience to make impulsive purchase. That's all my presentation about this research paper. Thank you for watching, sir.